In this video, we'll demonstrate how to mount a hardware RAID 5 using MIPv4 version 4. The RAID controller used is a Promise TX3410. We have 3 physical drives connected. Each of these drives is 80 GB in size, and the RAID 5 stripe size is 16 KB. We start by running MIPv4 version 4 and then clicking on the Mount button. Now from the right-hand menu, click the Add RAID button. This allows us to select the image files that make up our RAID. Each of the physical drives has been imaged with Encase. We select the 3 EO1 files and then click Open. The image files have now been added to our RAID segments window. In this example, we're going to automatically find the RAID layout, so we click the Find Layout button. The status tells us the tests that it's performing to identify the RAID. We can see here that MIPv4 has successfully identified the RAID. It's also shown by the 3 green ticks on each of the image files. Also, in the information at the top of the screen, we see it's identified as a hardware RAID 5 with a 16 KB stripe size. If the RAID was not identified, we could use the blue arrow buttons to change the sequence of the image files. We could then use the Find Layout and the Test Layout buttons to determine the RAID. Click OK to add the RAID to the drive selection window. We can now select the Mount Disk or Mount File System to mount the RAID. We can see here that this RAID drive has now been mounted as Drive D. We double-click on Drive D to open Windows Explorer, and now we can explore the mounted RAID.